Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on Google Maps. You will click on settings. In this page of settings, you will click on apps. Then you will go here to search about the application of Google Maps and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.